Hello guys, we are Kizomba Musicality and we are here at VdanceClub to talk with you about musicality and how to play with the music when you dance Kizomba. Basically, I would say there is two main ways to play with the music. You have the first option to know all the accent, different instrument and rhythm of the song you're dancing on. And the other is like to know a few tips about how the music is built and where to play, to plan and to put your rhythm variations, okay? So the first option is to know the song. For example, if you play a song and you know the song and you really like it, you know the rhythm, you can plan in advance what to do. I know the rhythm, so it's easy to put my move on it. The thing is, for that, you have to know all the songs the DJ will play during the night. It can be a little bit exhausting. So I will give you some tips for you leaders to be able to play with the music easily. The first thing is to know how to mark the strong beats. Basically, you have the measure and all the 4 counts, you have 1 strong beat. Okay? So on the 8 count of the sentence, the musical sentence, you have 2 strong beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. And every strong beat, you can put specific rhythm variation who will fit pretty well without to make a lot of effort. First, if you don't know how to mark the strong beat, the best way is to just play a song you like. It doesn't matter if it's Kizomba or anything else, okay? And try to mark the strong beat. One way, there is a lot of ways to mark that, it's to look for the moments different instruments will mark the same beat at the same time. The beat looks stronger, like more powerful. Also, there is the loop in the music and the rhythm of the instrument will help to mark the strong beats, okay? There is many loops and there is start, and at the beginning of each loop, there is a strong beat, okay? If I play, for example, this song, you normally can isolate the loops, the instruments who play in a loop. Like. Same loop is repeating again and again. And then there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. And 1. And once you have this kind of rhythm, normally you can play with that, okay? About that, it's super easy. We'll show you. First, there is 3 rhythm variations you can use. Slow motion, break step, and syncopation steps. For slow motion, I will just slow down any move I want to do, okay? If I do it basic, and I'm just walking, for example, 1, 2, 1, 2, I will just slow it down, and 1, 2, 1, 2, and spend 2 counts on my move, on my step. 1, 2, 1, 2. I can do it slower if I want. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then restart. This is slow motion. The break step is when you stop to move completely. 1, 2, 3, and restart. With the count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To make the difference in between slow motion and break step, on the slow motion, you stop to move your feet, but you should normally continue to move your body to have a slow motion effect. On the break, you stop to move your feet and your body, okay? 1, 2, slow, and I continue to move my body. 1, 2, break, and I don't move anything. And the last variation will be the syncopation step, contratiempos, acceleration, when we mark the beat and the half beat. 1, 2, 3, and 4. For example, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. Okay, and we'll speed up our moves. If you want to speed up the move, guys, don't forget you have to move faster with the same range. Okay, do you want to dance like me? No? I understand. So if you don't want to do that, you can join the 2,500 students who already managed to improve their style and technique with VdanceClub. Okay, if you do more steps, but smaller steps than usual, you won't move faster. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, okay? So now you have the different rhythm variation, easy. You have the strong beats, and you can first start to play with slow motions on strong beats. The good thing is with that, no matter the song, it will normally fit pretty well. We'll show you, okay? I will play a random song, and we'll count together, and sometimes, once in a while, I will put a slow motion on one strong beat. Basic, strong beats. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, slow motion. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, roll, slow motion. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You see? So that's good. The good thing is, like spices, salt and pepper, you put it sometimes, and with slow motion, you don't need to know the song and all the accent to already start to please, surprise a little bit your partner and make the dance a little bit more interesting, entertaining, okay? Now the break step. The break step, the same mechanic on strong beats. I will just add one detail about that. Is for the strong beats, it will fit more, the break step, I mean, it will fit more on stronger and powerful song. If the song is like this one, for example, with a lot of energy, it will fit pretty well. If the song is really romantic, super slow, the strong beat can be, the break step, sorry, can be a little bit tricky to put on it. For example, if I play this song, it's pretty smooth. And 5, 6, 7, and. You see? Break step will be a bit rough. Slow motion. So, that's why I said break step will be to adapt, will be, yeah, you will have to adapt it to the mood of the song. And then for the syncopation steps, this is the last part, and this is the moment normally you start to think a bit too much. It's, you have to put the syncopation step, it will help if you put the syncopation step just before the strong beat, and you make it finish on the strong beat. Because if you do the syncopation step, that means you accelerate. If you accelerate and you finish on a strong beat, you will just coming back from the like super fast speed to the normal speed, you will just decelerate, okay? You reduce the speed like a slow motion. So you will give the effect of a slow motion coming back from quick step to normal step. If I do boom, 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 walk, walk, it's the same visual effect that if I walk at the normal speed, 1, 2, and slow down. Okay? So I will finish my syncopation steps on the strong beat, 1 and 5. That means you will do the syncopation step, for example, on 8 and 1 or 4 and 5. We show you on the music, it's super easy. And then, once you have this tip, you know how to mark the strong beats, and you have slow motion, break step, and syncopation step in your pocket, you just have to play with that. Super easy. This one is nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Strong beats. 1 and 1. Now, syncopation steps. 5, 6, and 5, 6, and 5, 6, and now we mix everything.
Beija-flor, simpatia e carinho também.
Slow.
Lele,
Slow.
lele, lela. Lele, lela. Ma chérie, sensação, bom calor. Tá transformada. Yeah.
And now it's just a question of practice. You take your time and listen to the song, try, and try. The goal is to make you feel good and make your partner have a smile. That's it. Enjoy, guys. How did you like the video?